Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 8 today. Um, okay, okay. So it's a bit challenging question. You see, we need to find the area of this shaded region and the perimeter of it. So we know that if I have a sector is a part of a circle. Oh my goodness, what is going on here? If I have a sector which is part of a circle, right? So this is the radius, and this is some angle theta. So the arc length S, it is equal to r theta. This is one thing we need to know. And the second thing is that the area of a sector is half theta r square. Okay, so these are the two formulas we need to know in order to find the area of a sector and the arc length of a sector. Okay, so in order to solve this problem, first we will solve this triangle, which means this triangle has one side, one known side, which is AB, which is 8 centimeter. I would like to find the other two sides, BC and AC. Okay, and then I need to know this angle as well. So I will, and I know that this angle is 90 degree, pi by 2. So knowing all the three angle and all the three sides, this is the beginning of it. So you can see that if we talk about the tangent of angle A, it is sine, cosine, tangent, it is going to be BC over AB. So from here you can see that BC is equal to AB into tangent of A, and AB is 8 centimeter times tangent of A is 2 pi by 9. Okay, similarly, what is the cosine of this angle A? Sine, cosine. Okay, it is AB over AC. So from here we see that AC is equal to AB over cos of A. So AB, again it is 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9. Okay, and the angle C, it is pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 9, and it will give us uh, 5 pi by 18, I believe. Let me confirm. I did it before. Um, yes, 5 pi by 18. Okay, so now we have everything about this triangle. Okay, so can I find the area of this triangle? Area of triangle A, B, C. Okay, look, before I find I find the area, let me do something else. Uh, okay, um, can we know the value of DC? Sorry, DC, this length. Okay, because this is the radius of this other circle, other sector. Okay, so DC, you can see it is equal to AC minus AD. Now AC we already found is 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus AD, and AD is already 8 because AD is same as AB, which is same as radius. Okay, so we found DC, and finally I want to know the value of BE. BE, you can see this is equal to BC minus CE. Now BC, we found that it was 8 into tangent of 2 pi by 9. Remember, we found it over here, the value of BC minus CE. CE is same as DC, and this is same as 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus 8. Okay, so this is a bit complicated, but this is BE. Now we know the radius of both circles, and we have solved all the whole triangle. So now things are very easy. Find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region, first of all, we need to find the area of the triangle. Triangle ABC. So this area is equal to half into AB into since this is 90 degree, this is pi by 2. So I just need to multiply with BC. Okay, so it is 1/2. AB is known as 8 and BC is known as 8 times tangent 2 pi by 9. So we can say this is 32 times tangent 2 pi by 9. Similarly, sector ABD. ABD. Okay, so the area of this sector is half into the angle, which is 2 pi by 9, and into the radius square. So radius is 8, so it's 64. Okay, so this will become 2 cancel with 2, so 64 pi by 9. Okay, this is the area of sector BAD. Now in the same way, the area of sector CED, the smaller sector, smaller area. Okay, again, this is half into the angle, and that angle we know it is, how much was it? We calculated it. Yes, it's 5 pi by 5 pi by 18. Okay, into r square. Now this r is b, no, this r is ce, c, this one, dc. Yes, this is the r. Okay, so this is going to be 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus 8 and its square. Okay, so this is the area of the third thing. So now the total area uh, area of shaded region. So this is area of the triangle ABC minus area of the sector ABD minus area of the sector CED. So what's the area of ABC? It is 32 tangent 2 pi by 9 minus 64 pi by 9 and minus, this is going to be 5 pi by 36 into 8 over cosine of 2 pi by 9 minus 8 and its square. Okay, I hope everything is clear. I'm not confusing you guys. Okay, and when we simplify this whole thing, it comes out to be 1.906 centimeters square. Okay, So this was part 1 of this problem. Now part 2 says that find the perimeter of the shaded region. So let me do the part 2 right over here. Yes. So now I will do part 2, and for part 2 let me change the color. Okay. So now I'm trying to do the part 2. You see now the perimeter of the shaded region, it has 3 sections. 2 are the arcs and 1 is BE. Okay. So uh, perimeter is okay. And remember I told you that the perimeter of his arc or sector is calculated by this formula. X is equal to r theta. So r is 8 into theta is 2 pi by 9. So this is one arc. Okay. Plus second arc, it is radius is 8 over cos 2 pi by 9 minus 8. So this is the radius, and angle is 5 pi by 18. Okay. And for the third case, which is BE, okay, this length BE, and BE we found over here. This is our BE. So what I will do, I have to add into this length 8 times tangent 2 pi by 9 minus 8 over cos 2 pi by 9 minus 8. Okay, so when we do all this calculation, it comes out to be 11.987, so which is approximately 12. Okay, so this is how we do this question number 10. The good question number 8, sorry. Yes. Okay. I hope everything is clear. If you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.